In 2023, the Middle East experienced multiple disasters, including earthquakes, hurricanes, and the wars in Sudan and Gaza have all cast shadows over the region. Yet, with the help of China, Iran and Saudi Arabia have achieved reconciliation, further promoting the thawing of relations between regional countries. The Saudi Vision 2030 advances steadily, and the UAE consensus reached at the COP28 opens a new chapter for global climate action. In 2023, looking east has become a consensus among Middle Eastern countries. All 22 members of the Arab League have joined the Belt and Road Initiative. The China-Arab Pragmatic Cooperation achieved remarkable results. Regional blocs such as the BRICS and SCO also welcomes new members from the Middle East. The year 2024 marks the 20th anniversary of the China-Arab States Cooperation Forum. It will also embrace the opening of the Grand Egyptian Museum after 20 years of construction. China and Arab, the two Asian civilizations working together, are destined to contribute to peace and development of the world.